In the world of modern gardening, innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. Terra de Verdant, a pioneer in eco-friendly gardening solutions, has introduced a stunning range of 3D printed planter pots. These planters, printed using Geeetech Filament on a Bambulab 3D printer, offer both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. In this video, we will explore 5 exquisite designs and delve into the details of their creation. One note, I will be using these planters outdoors, so I won't be printing the drainage trays. The first in our lineup is the Muxel Planter Pot, known for its intricate wave-like design. Scaled to 120% of its original size, this pot seamlessly combines art and functionality. The wave design is not just a visual delight, but also serves to evenly distribute the weight of the soil and plant, enhancing stability. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor use, where wind and weather can be unpredictable. The Muxel Planter Pot, with its organic flow, can complement both modern and traditional garden aesthetics, making it a versatile addition to any outdoor space. You can find the Muxel Planter Pot on printables. Next we have the Luxar Planter Pot, which features a geometric pattern that adds a modern touch to any space. Also scaled to 120%, this planter combines sharp angles with sleek design. The geometric shapes not only create a striking visual impact, but also provide a structural strength to the pot. This makes the Luxar Planter Pot ideal for larger plants or those with extensive root systems. The clean lines and contemporary feel of this planter can enhance the look of urban gardens, patios, or even a stylish balcony. More details can be found on printables.com. The Quarn Planter Pot stands out with its unique spiral structure. This design, scaled to 120%, ensures stability and provides ample space for root expansion. The spiral form is not just an artistic choice, it also allows for efficient water distribution throughout the soil, promoting healthy plant growth. The Quarn Planter Pot's dynamic design can add a sense of movement and energy to your garden, making it an eye-catching centerpiece or a complementary piece in a collection of planters. Check out the Quarn Planter Pot on printables. The Loso Planter Pot, with its rounded and ribbed design, adds a touch of elegance to your garden. Scaled to 120%, it offers a spacious environment for your plants to flourish. The ribbed texture not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also helps with gripping the soil and preventing erosion during watering. The Loso Planter Pot has a classic and sophisticated look, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor settings. From a rustic garden to a chic patio space, discover the Loso Planter Pot on printables. Finally, we have the Rodel Planter Pot. With its double-layered structure, it's designed for both aesthetics and functionality. Scaled to 120%, it provides a stable base and ample room for root growth. The double-layered design offers additional insulation for plant roots, which is particularly beneficial in fluctuating outdoor temperatures. This pot's robust structure and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for larger plants or for creating a focal point in your garden. More information about the Rodel Planter Pot is available on printables. I'd like to give a special thanks to Geeetech for providing the high-quality filament used for this project. Geeetech's filament is known for its durability and vibrant colors, ensuring that these planters not only look good, but also stand the test of time. The filament's resilience to outdoor conditions means the planters will remain in excellent condition, even when exposed to the elements. Check out their filament options on geeetech.com. Terra de Verdant's 3D printed planter pots represent the perfect blend of technology and nature, with designs that cater to both aesthetics and functional needs. These planters are a must-have for any modern gardener. The use of Geeetech filament and the precision of the Bambulab 3D printer ensure that each planter is of its highest quality. Explore these designs and more to elevate your gardening experience. That's all for this week's video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.